ang direksyon po ng ilan sa mga senator judges ay yun nga po, magsumpa na yung ating mga bagong senator judges, and at the same time i-convene ang impeachment court. And it looks like we are just going to wait for 1 week to organize ourselves as a Senate, yung mga committees, etc., leadership, at ang House ganun din po. And then a week after, we can convene the impeachment court and have the defense and the prosecution present their cases. Ang pag-uusap namin nung ilang mga senador together with Senate President Chis Escudero na once we were able to organize ourselves, naayos na yung leadership, and I'm sure si Senate President Chis Escudero would ask our views on this. Ako, nung tinanong niya ako, nag-agree na ako na pwede ang August 4, and I think that's enough time to be given sa Senate and the House to organize itself, and come August 4 we'll be able to convene the impeachment court, maka-take ng oath yung mga bagong senator judges, and at the same time magharap na yung prosecutors at defense team ni VP Sara.